Hope all is blessed. This is Rio with the update 33. Now, this video is not for the experience, nor is it for the advanced. This is information, pretty much basic information, pointing towards the novice whom is interested in learning more about credit. That's where I come in at. So this is the 7 things they didn't tell you about credit from my perspective. Number 1, they didn't tell you that when you turn 18 years old that you are completely responsible for your credit score. As I thought about this, I realized no adult in my life when I was a child informed me about the importance of good credit. They didn't inform me about credit cards. They didn't inform me about anything of that matter. That's where, in my opinion, the ball was dropped on the adult's behalf. Number 2, they didn't tell you that you had to build your credit. Building is very important. Now, building your credit profile is extremely vital to building your credit score. In order to have a good score, you need to have solid, positive trade lines. And we'll get into that as we keep going. Number 3, they didn't tell you that some of your parents and our guardians may have used your credit at least once or twice, or maybe even multiple times for that matter. It's a terrible situation, but it does happen, and it's unfortunate. Now, when that irresponsible parent or guardian does that, it's hard for you to apply and get approved for credit cards and loans and different things of that sort, because you're going to automatically be in collections and defaulted. Number 4, they didn't tell you that when you mess over your credit, it will be hard to obtain anything on credit. No loans, no credit cards, etc. And if so, it'll be a very high interest rate. Now, number 5, they didn't tell you that you need wonderful credit to obtain great interest rates on financed vehicles and home loans. Now, with bad or low credit, you can still acquire cars and home loans, but the difference will be the extremely high interest that you'll be paying, and it's going to be coupled with a high down payment and exceptionally high monthly payments. That's what you want to stay away from. Number 6, they didn't tell you that bad or close to low credit score can affect you being employed with certain companies. That's right. It's crazy, but if you are applying for a job that requires you to have a set credit score, if you fail to meet that requirement, you will be denied for that job. It's horrible, but it's starting to be implemented more so in financial institutions. Number 7, they didn't tell you that Rio, I'm here for your credit repair needs, questions, concerns, etc. I want to be the individual to help you either build or help maintain a great credit score. So I'm going to offer all my services. Now, I need you guys to stay tuned. I need you to subscribe. The more subscribers I have, the more I will feel compelled to give the large golden nuggets that other individuals are charging you a whole lot of money for, are completely keeping a secret. You got to comment. You got to let me know if you agree with what I said, what you disagree with. Definitely let me know what they didn't tell you about credit. These are just 7 things I'm just pointing out. So please keep me informed. Like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time.